Hello there, it's Q&A time. I am answering this question. Your hair is so shiny and glossy. What's your secret? First of all, I have extensions. Just these ones under. So everything else on top is my real hair. Okay? And so I wanted you to know that this is not just my hair. So I do have extensions. But see, even my real hair up here is shiny. And it's because I don't only use a good shampoo and conditioner, but it's because I use Silk Pillowcase. This is not sponsored, but I thought I should let you know that Silk is actually very good for our hair and our skin. The moment I heard about that, and that was probably 2-3 months ago, I definitely invested in Silk Pillowcase. So now I even have a better pillowcase because I got mine from Blissy. And I'm so excited. I got mine in the color that I like, which is pink. Rose pink, and you'll see here, I think this is why my hair is glossy and looking very healthy, and so is my skin. You know, even when we are older, we can have good skin and shiny and healthy hair, and I'll tell you why. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to empower you, help you build your self-esteem, because it's very important for us women, especially when we're older, that we keep our self-esteem and self-worth high. Well, first of all, I didn't have this shiny hair back in the day. I had dry and thinning hair. My hair is still thin, and some of you have watched my videos. I have extensions under so that my hair is longer, but see, this is my real hair on top. Now, how do I keep this shiny? There's a lot of things that I use. Number one, when I go to sleep, I use my no heat curling rod, this one, and I curl my hair around it so I don't heat my hair unnecessarily. And then second, I use a very good shampoo. This is my shampoo. This is a professional shampoo, which my daughter gets for me because my youngest daughter, is a hairstylist. And for my conditioner, I use Nunu Hair Mask by Davins. It's a nourishing, repairing mask for highly processed or brittle hair. And you only use like a tablespoon. And then I put it on my hair and I massage it. I leave it on my hair for like 2-3 minutes while I'm washing my body and all that stuff. But you see, it's not just about what you put in the hair. You also have to use the right pillowcase. And so I have this is not a paid promotion or sponsorship, but I do love my Blissy. So I use Silk for my pillowcase, and I'm using Blissy. I think there are other brands out there now that are just similar. I'm not very sure. Otherwise, the silk that Blissy uses is very high quality, and that actually keeps not only my hair protected, because I heard that cotton is very damaging for your hair, but it also protects my face. I have been using Silk Pillowcase for, I'd say, 4 or 5 months now, and I am really very satisfied with it because I definitely saw the difference. That's why I'm sharing this before I forget. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I will see you in my next. Don't forget to follow me on my other platforms, Instagram @TheRealD, TikTok @TheRealD, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. Bye for now.